At Impressico, UI/UX isn't just a service. It's the art and science of crafting digital experiences that make a lasting impact. In today's tech landscape, UI, user interface, and UX, user experience, aren't just nice-to-haves, they're the foundation of every successful digital product. UI is how it looks. UX is how it feels. Together, they define how users interact, engage, and convert. Every smooth swipe, every fast tap, every joyful interaction, it's all by design. At Impressico, we believe great UI/UX isn't just about aesthetics. It's about behavior-driven development, human-centered design, and strategic user flows that solve real business problems. We help businesses across industries, including healthcare, FinTech, education, and retail, unlock growth through thoughtful and impactful design. In healthcare, streamlined UX has reduced patient wait times and improved diagnosis speed. In FinTech, clean and trustworthy UI boosts user confidence and retention. In EdTech, intuitive navigation and engaging layouts have increased learning completion rates. We use modern design tools like Figma, Sketch, Adobe XD, and InVision, enhanced by A/B testing, heat maps, accessibility audits, and real-time analytics to create data-driven results. Because at the end of the day, great design isn't just about looking good. It's about working better. It transforms users into loyal fans, clicks into conversions, products into unforgettable experiences. So if you're looking to scale your product faster and smarter, start with a design that delivers. At Impressico, we blend creativity, AI, and business intelligence to build UI/UX that doesn't just function, it performs. Design that delivers. Experiences that scale.